What is going on, guys? I am back with a new video for you guys today, and today we're going to talk about how to start a mobile iPhone repair business. So this is a very popular business model that I get hit up a lot about, and people looking to get into this iPhone repair, kind of mobile iPhone repair business model where, you drive out to people's homes, you fix their iPhone screens like in their home, and you charge them for a service fee. The cool thing about the mobile business model is that people just are looking to save time nowadays, and if you can save them that time where you drive to their location, people just love it. So we're going to get right into this, guys. Moving to the step 1 slide here, which is going to be market research. So I'm going to breeze through these slides really quickly, guys. I don't want to take up too much of your time today, so I'm going to go through them as fast as I can and drop as much knowledge as I can. So step 1, market research, right? Craigslist, Facebook, Google search. We want to check out our competition. We want to see who are we competing with. So we go on Craigslist, we type in iPhone repair. We got a bunch of different options here, a lot of different services. You want to check out what they're charging so that you can come in a little bit cheaper, right? You don't want to charge the same or more expensive because then you're going to get blown out the water. So you want to make sure you're doing your research, checking the competitors, where they're located, how much they charge, things like that. And Craigslist and Facebook are just two really great ways to do that. If we look over on Facebook here, iPhone repair, this, business page here has a lot of likes. They're very competitive, so you definitely want to come in cheaper there. And Facebook is a really great way to find out who's selling this and who's looking for it. All right, we're going to go to step 2, guys. We got to purchase our product, right? We want to make sure we're nice and stocked up on LCD screens here for the displays. You want to make sure you're coming in at a good rate here, so you don't want to just go buy anything you see. But there is 2 things that I would mention that you want to make sure that you purchase and that you look for is high quality display touchscreens, guys. When I started this business, this is one of the first businesses that I started, this mobile iPhone repair company, and I was doing it for iPhone 4s at the time because that was when the phones were hot back then. I messed up because I bought a lot of really Chinese aftermarket, just really shitty quality LCD screens, and I was able to assemble them. I had some issues where, I would assemble them and they wouldn't work after quite some time, so I had to do some refunds there, and it was a really really harsh lesson. I learned that you want to make sure that the quality of the screens that you buy, they must be of high quality. So make sure that you're getting really, really good quality stuff here, guys. I wouldn't start out with a bunch of LCD screens. I would buy maybe 10, then work from there. So you can look these up on eBay, you can look them up at wholesaler sites, but I would start with eBay to get 5 or 10, start with that, and then build your way up. Moving to the next slide, guys. Step 3 is we want to create a social media page. So we got a logo, business name, link to website, photos, page likes, and reviews. These are all really important. So I just took this business here off of Facebook. I just found randomly mobile iPhone repair. I'm guessing they're located in Houston. See, they got a nice cover photo there. We come to you fast. Gets right to the point. Can't beat it. There you go. Looks like they have some reviews. They got 5 out of 5 stars, 33 people. That's awesome. They have links to their website down there. I know this is only a photo, but I was on this page earlier, and they have everything all beefed up here. But yeah, so reviews is very important, guys. You want to try to get those as much as you can. That's why offering maybe a couple free repairs first to try to get those reviews in, and then start offering it as a paid service is probably a good idea, because if you don't have any reviews on your Facebook page, most likely people aren't going to trust you. So it's super, super important. Also, make sure you invite all your friends too to like your page, because the more likes you have, not all the time, but most of the time, people will start to trust you more. Make sure you also include photos of the cracked screens. The before and after photos are probably a really good idea to make sure that people see that you actually are in service, you are doing business currently with other clients, and it builds trust. So moving along, we got step 4, make sure you build a website. This is how they're going to pay you, right? Whether you accept cash, that's one thing. But also if you were to hire, say, contractors or employees to do business on your behalf, you want to make sure they pay through the website. So that's another reason why a website is a good idea. Make sure you have a good looking website. To be honest, this website here, this is of the same company you guys just saw on the Facebook page just now. I'm not really digging this website, to be honest. I think it's kind of lazy. It's not really well put together. It doesn't really catch my attention, so they probably could have done a better job. But it does, get to the point here where it says, we come to you on time every time. we come to your home or office. So I mean, that's very clear. That's really good. And then they have a schedule repair button down there, so that's good to know as well. So make sure you have a nice website. You can use Squarespace. You could, if you know, a web designer who's really good in WordPress, that's probably your best bet. So make sure you have a good-looking website. Step number 5, which is pretty much the last step in the process, guys. You want to advertise. You want to get your services out there as much as you can. So, Facebook allows you to advertise for free. If you know how to use Google ads or Facebook ads, those are definitely very helpful. Word of mouth is really good too. Make sure your friends, your neighbors, family spreading the word about you, past clients and everything. And then, physical flyers as well. Even digital flyers, posting them around Facebook. Hanging up physical flyers around, your location. Very good way to get some, clients coming in. If you look at this example here, iPhone repairs is another business. They even put a video in there, guys. They went hard with that. So they got a video in there, which helps tremendously. They got all the services that they offer at what price. They also have what other things they fix. They got Samsung laptops, computers, tablets, all kinds of stuff in there. They even included the name and the address and the number, which is very, very important. If you look to the right, these are called recommendations. Recommendations are very helpful, so you want to make sure that you are constantly checking Facebook groups, guys, for these recommendations. People are always looking for iPhone repair people all the time. I'm in multiple Facebook groups myself, and I'm always seeing people looking for an iPhone repairman to come over to their location to fix their iPhone. So it's a very, very popular business model, but it's also very high in demand. So yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. Just these 5 steps here, guys. Again, I'm gonna go through them again. You want to make sure you do your market research. You want to purchase the product, not too much product because you want to be sitting on them, maybe 5 to 10 screens to start with. Step 3 is create social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. Build a website to accept payment or to have people come to your site to collect their emails. And then step 5, you want to make sure you guys are advertising. That wraps up the video, guys. I hope this helped in some way, shape, or form. If it has, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.